Welcome back. Bank Indonesia has held its benchmark interest rate steady at 7.5%, ignoring the Vice President's call for a rate cut to boost weak economic growth. BI says the rate has been left unchanged in anticipation of more global pressures on the economy.
The central bank's Board of Governors has decided to maintain the benchmark rate at 7.5%, despite pressure from business and the government. It's held deposit facility interest at 5.5% and lending facility interest at 8%. In an easing move, BI lowered the statutory reserves ratio from 8 to 7.5%, effective from December 1st. BI Governor Agus Martowardoyo says there's still room to move on monetary policy, with inflation expected to remain below 4% until the end of the year. The reference rate has been left unchanged in anticipation of further global financial pressures.
Terkait dengan BI rate yang kami tetapkan untuk sama di 7,5%, ini adalah tentu keputusan Bank Indonesia menghadapi perkembangan kondisi khususnya kondisi ekonomi dunia, tekanan daripada keuangan global dan kemungkinan risiko terburuknya. Kami juga lihat bahwa kalau kita menetapkan BI rate sama 7,5%, juga untuk meyakini tekanan yang sekarang ini dialami oleh Indonesia, khususnya di transaksi modal dan finansial, ini kita akan terus jaga. Dan kita meyakini kondisi di Oktober sampai dengan November ini, ketika kita melihat aliran dana yang tetap masuk ke Indonesia, menunjukkan kondisi bahwa di BI rate 7,5%, kami meyakini akan bisa menghadapi kondisi, khususnya menghadapi akhir tahun ini dengan baik.
The latest BI data shows Indonesia's balance of payments for the third quarter was $4.6 billion, an almost twofold increase from $2.93 billion in the second quarter. The current account deficit has dropped to $4 billion in the third quarter, while the balance of payments deficit increased following a drop in the capital and finance surplus in Q3 to $1.2 billion. The biggest drop was in the investment transaction portfolio that has a deficit of $2.21 billion, down from $5.68 billion in the second quarter. That deficit has been caused by a foreign sell-off of state bonds and domestic shares worth 16.94 trillion rupiah.